So the height difference in the old ceiling is well visible from here. Like you can see that this corner is much higher than this corner here. So these beams are now level or plumb, and I think it's something like 15 centimeters difference from this side and that side. But yeah, it happens with these old buildings. So first thing, I will use my laser to mark the correct height. So the structure of the ceiling is now ready, and the next step is to add some insulation. So for insulation I'm using this rock wool. So it's 50 millimeters thick, and I'm using 2 layers, so I can overlap each layer. And most of all, I'm using it for soundproof, because upstairs I have a neighbor, and the other thing is of course for energy saving, or yeah. And when you are applying insulation, you should always use some kind of dust mask. I have these goggles and long clothes like long sleeves, and a hat or a hood, because it's quite itchy stuff.